it's like a few days, and the idea of gift gifting is not all about buying elaborate gifts. You can actually buy small stocking stuffers. I'm using the word stocking stuffer because these are very, very small sized gifts that you can actually buy for everyone on your list that they would definitely love. And these items are something that are budget friendly, you can actually afford. And if you don't want to spend so much, these are actually very great options for you to gift everyone on your list. So let's get into this video. My name is Magdalene. On this channel, I talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So these are some of my few small gifts that you can give everyone on your list that they will definitely love. So let me start with these few options I already have that I know I can actually give someone this Christmas or holiday season or for the New Year Eve. So the first thing I'm talking about is a lip gloss. Yes, this lip gloss is what I'm currently wearing. It's I bought this because not expecting it to become like pink. It was just supposed to be a basic colorless lip gloss, but it turns out that this became pink and I'm loving it. But I'm still going to get something very clear for myself. But if you have a fashion girly in your friend list or a family member that like to have a lip gloss that is very girly, they just want to have all her makeup intact, give her a lip gloss. This will actually help her to chop her lip during the week or while at work. Then another thing I can highly recommend you can give as gift is this perfume oil. So I just got put on perfume oil this year, and I would say I'm still having a 50-50 love for it because most of this perfume oil don't really give me the smell I want, but this particular ones I'm featuring, the it depends on actually the perfume, this particular the smell they use. So this one the right type of smell to expect. So this one is vanilla and the other one is oligarch, and have like four, but I rarely use them because out of the four, I only like two from them. So for perfume, they're actually very inexpensive. But if you have someone in your family or friend or colleague that like a perfume oil, and you know this is actually very very inexpensive. At one point, they were very easy to pick up because they were cheap. But even with the current inflation, they're still very budget friendly. So I highly recommend you get them perfume oils. Then another thing I recommend you get someone on your list is a bag charm. So this year everybody went crazy with their bag charm. And you can see this particular bag charm I got. It's also something you can use or give a man. Actually, this men that have their cars, they can just hang it on their cars like this, on their dashboard. It's something very nice to have as a gift for him. But actually, if you a fashion girly or you have a fashion girly family friend or somebody that loves fashion, this is a very nice bank charm to give them to elevate their back. And this is actually a very nice keychain too. So a keychain is also a nice stocking stuffer to give out, but with a keychain like this, it's going to be fanciful. You hold it, you throw it in your bag. It's not just a bag charm. You can also use it as a keychain. You can hang your key in it when you throw it into your bag, so that whenever you want to pick up your bag, your key in your bag, you just pick up your kitchen holder, which is sizeful like this compared to when you throw your keys into your bag and you're struggling to bring it down, especially when you're carrying a big size duty bag. So yes, this is a very nice gift option that I recommend. Then another gift that's a great stocking stuffer is a set of earrings. So this set of earring I got it earlier this year. I got it in like three different colors. So the other two colors fell apart and I was pissed. But this one didn't really fall apart, but the hook that comes with it doesn't hold it for so long. So since I discovered that I can use this particular hook I got from Chick Me for any of my earrings that are not holding well, this holds them in place and I actually do love it. And they kind of give it a kind of funky style to it. So you see it makes it look different, it gives a unique design. So someone seeing this and we assume you bought it together, but it didn't, you got it separately. So it's a very nice gift to have colorful earrings like this. Is something that can give someone for yourself, especially if you can get great quality options. And they're actually always constantly on my phone working, trying to write blog posts as a blogger. So if you don't have a blogger, I will start the name of my blog on the screen so you guys can see I've been on my blogging game for years and I love that. So I said to just go into YouTube and add it to my blogging portfolio. Anyway, so if you have a blogger friend or a writer friend or someone that likes to read a lot, to get them this blue light glasses, because it actually helps them to keep their eyes away from the blue rays from your phones, your your laptops and all that. So it's something I'm actually looking to get for myself, just that I've not really gotten an option that's actually budget friendly. But if like typically I would have just gone for a recommended sunglasses from my workplace and all that, but I just want something like that that's it's not really recommended, but just to protect your eyes when you're using your phone, your laptop. Someone that's constantly always looking at the screen, they this kind of gift. The other gift you can give someone in your life that is very, very budget friendly, that's a great stocking stuffer, is for you to get them a pair of sunglasses. So this is a Loewe dupe sunglasses, which I actually do love. I've had it for a period of time now, and I do love. If you have someone you love that like funky sunglasses, Loewe is one designer brand that like to have unique pieces. Like if you follow them on the socials and you just want to get to know them, realize that their designer pieces are just uniquely designed. Their sunglasses, their handbag, their dresses. You can just tell this is Loewe by just seeing them. So maybe because I'm Loewe girly. But anyway, so this is a dupe I got from this. A very nice pair of sunglasses you can give anyone on your list. Beautiful. I've had it for a while now. Typically, I'm not so I like glasses that are made of plastic and frame or something, but this is a very great option that you can give someone in your list. It's very cute. I got it for under 3,000 naira. Very, very, very nice pair of sunglasses. If this particular store I got it from, I will link it down below. It's Sojoi. I can't really pronounce the name of the brand. It's a Nigerian brand. So this brand they ship to you, and it came with a case, which is oddly enough most of the sunglasses you get from maybe AliExpress, most cases they don't really come with this, but this one came with a case, which I actually do love. Another gift you can get someone on your list that's very simple, budget friendly gift stocking stuffer is a phone case. So I actually saw this cute phone case from AliExpress, which I love. And one thing about phone cases when you're shopping for phone cases, it's just reasonable to know the brand of phone the person actually uses, because there are different type of phone cases for different phone brands. So my current phone is the Samsung A05. So when they're going to get me a phone case as a gift, you should search for that particular style. Don't just get a random phone case, because a random phone case may not really fit my phone. So the one phone case for an Infinix brand is different for that of a Techno, is different for that of an iPhone. So yes, so when you're getting phone case as a gift for anyone, the person should be very, very, very close to you, like a friend, a colleague that you know very well the kind of phone they use. Your husband, your sibling, you know the kind of phone they use, then you get them a phone case because you know the brand of phone they use. So it will be a perfect fit that match. You can go for girly ones, you can go for masculine one, or even unisex. This particular one I've been setting the screen for is a very nice one I found for that will fit my own particular phone. It's a magnetic case phone case. I actually love it. It's giving me this vibe of phone case that Emily in Paris used at the first season. So if you've not been watching Emily in Paris, what have you been doing? It's a fashion show that I really do love to watch and I enjoy. I follow it right from season one. I'm still following it because I do love that show. The other nice, very simple gift you can give anyone on your list is a hand cream. So hand cream is a very, very simple budget friendly gift you can give anyone. Anybody that's a girly girl that doesn't like her hand being ashy or dry. Every time they wash their hand, they want their hands to be budget friendly holiday gift idea you can give anyone on your list is a perfume, small size perfume. So most times we used to feel when you want to buy perfume for someone, especially when it comes to luxury perfume, it has to be very, very big or something like that. But when you're introducing someone to luxury perfume, or you want to get something to make them realize that they can actually afford something luxurious for themselves, introduce them to perfumes like this particular one from Mugler is 60 ml, it's a small size bottle. Then this other one from YSL Libre is about like 50 ml, very small size bottle. To introduce them, or I guess small size, travel size bottle perfumes, which are very easy to introduce them into luxury perfume, so that they will realize that luxury perfumes are not really high end compared to how we see it in our head. So you get them these budget friendly options. I will link them down below. They're from a brand that owns them in the UK, which is Maison de Fashion. I will set their name on the screen. They have very nice perfume option for any perfume lover you know. And actually, you've seen this perfume for yourself. You know they will actually love them. If you are not sure of this luxury perfume, you've not really used them, you can walk into a luxury designer store and just actually try them in person and know the smell before you actually get it for someone. But if you're familiar with them, these two options are great options. These small size bottles, it will actually be a very easy, simple holiday gift to them to give anyone. Just give them this luxurious feel for their holiday. You know, imagine after dressing up for your Christmas party, New Year Eve party, and you just spray your why celebrate perfume. Imagine that kind of thing. So yeah, it's a very nice holiday gift idea to give anyone. The other very simple holiday gift idea you can give anyone, especially for natural hair girlies that just like to keep their hair the way it is. They don't want to do protective hairstyles, just like to pack their hair, stretch their hair, blow dry their hair. They just give them a claw clip. And also for our ladies that like to wear their straight wigs, give them a claw clip. It's actually going to help them to style their hair in different ways. The other thing you can give someone on your list is a very simple, budget friendly, very small stocking stuffer size. It's a mini size jewelry case. I have a very large jewelry case that I use to organize my jewelry, because that's the reason I'm still able to have this intact. Normally, when I started shopping for jewelry, though my jewelry were not that much, I used to get missing. My earring is missing, my bangle is gone, my necklace I can't find it. But since I got a jewelry case, I've been able to organize them together. So after maybe some months, I sort them out. The ones I've lost hope or I've lost interest in them, I just sort them out, bring them out, and throw them out. Why the ones that are still functional remains a jewelry case? That's why you can give someone a jewelry case. But you can go for this very small option that we started for you guys to see. Very small size, travel size jewelry case for a frequent traveler in your list. Definitely get them this jewelry case. Today, when you know they love their fashions, they love to put together, get them a jewelry case to organize the jewelry when they're traveling. For a college students, they would need this kind of jewelry case. I wish I had one as a college student, because I wouldn't have been losing my earring back to back. I was not really much into jewelry back then, but at least this few I had will fit so nicely in this kind of jewelry case, and I'll not have to be looking for my earring all over the place. Very easy stocking stuffer you can get for anyone on your list is a pair of a set of beauty blenders. So for some of us that don't really do much makeup like me, I don't really like sitting down for maybe 20-30 minutes saying I'm baking my face. It's not my thing. So but for me, I would like a set of beauty blenders, because I always struggle with beauty blenders, and most times they get bad easily, or they get missing easily, or you're searching for your beauty blender. If you have like a set of four like this one, or this other one that I found on AliExpress that has everything when it comes to your beauty routine, the headbands when you're trying to do your makeup, your hair tie when you're trying to put your hair back. It has your different version of beauty blender, powder applicators. Yes, this is for, you can get this one for someone that you're just introducing into makeup, or someone that loves their makeup. This is a very nice beauty blender set to get for them, for especially for a travel size beauty blender. This is something to have, because it's very going to be very easy for you to do your makeup when you travel or something. But I would love to get myself as a gift this holiday season a set of a beauty blender, because it's very easy to lose them. They get dirty easily. So if I have like one that is dirty and I'm not feeling like washing, I can pick the other one. When I'm ready to wash, I wash them as a set. So it's a very nice option of gift to get someone. Then another gift you can get someone on your list this holiday season is a scarf. So this silk scarf is the great option to get someone on your list. Get someone on your list a silk or satin scarf. They can have a lot of use for it. You can wear it to church, you can wear it as a top to the beach, they can use it to style their handbags. There's a lot you can do with the silk scarf. And if you're such that like to wear different type of scarf, this is a very soft cashmere scarf which I actually do have. I've got it for a while. You can get it for someone on your list. You can use it to style their hair, they can wear it to keep themselves warm. That kind of thing. So scarves are something very, very easy to give to. So guys, which of these budget friendly stocking stuffer holiday gift ideas that you actually love, which of them do you want to get someone on your list? Which of them have you already gotten? Are you a last minute shopper? These are things you can easily get. So if you're a last minute holiday shopper and you wait till 20 something when you know it's already close to 5 days to Christmas, 2 days to Christmas, these are very, very simple things you can get from your local market. You can get from an online store that will get it to you 2 days. You can get it from AliExpress and give it like 5 days. Depends on where you stay around the world. So yes, these are great options of holiday gift ideas that are budget friendly. They are great stocking stuffer you can have for anyone on your list. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that you actually enjoy watching my videos. Subscribe to this channel if you're not. Bye guys.